This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the comment section below.
Nissan Consult 3 must be installed on Windows XP SP3. If you do not have Windows XP, then install the pre-installed Nissan Consult 3 VMware version. To ensure you have the correct Windows, click on the Start button and select Control Panel. Then select System. This is where you can read what edition of Windows you have. Before you install Nissan, find the WinRAR lab on Google and install the free version. Now unzip the Nissan Consult 3 file. Open the unzipped folder and install the .NET-FX35 file. If the program is already installed on your computer, then skip the installation. Open the folder Nissan 92101. Copy all files from this folder and move them directly to your C drive. Press the setup icon and select Install. Install the program. When the first part of the program has been installed, press Finish. Please note, do not press the Install button at this time as the program will automatically load the files. Wait patiently for it to finish. These are the drivers for the cable. Install them. Press Nissan Starter and OK. A window will appear where you must enter the key. Return to the downloaded files. Unzip the activation folder and then open it. Click on Consult 3 GTR Keygen. Copy the hardware fingerprint. And paste it into Machine ID. Enter as username Nissan. In the name field, also type Nissan. Press Generate and copy the activation code. Paste it into the key field and press OK. Change to OEM VCI option and press Save Selection and exit. Close Keygen. Return to Activation folder and press NC. Install the activator. The password is GAV78IN, written as in the highlighted area. Press Nissan Starter and Consult 3. Minimize the program. Click Start and Control Panel. Press System and switch to Tab Hardware. Press Device Manager. Connect the interface between a computer and a car and switch on ignition. Select Yes this time only and install the drivers. You should notice a new device in the bottom right corner. A new interface. JCI will appear in the Device Manager list. Minimize or close down the Device Manager. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and create a text file. Name it Drivers. Inside write Nissan Consult 3 in small letters and indivisibly. Underneath, write the number 926573. Copy exactly the text, Nissan Consult 3. And restore the program. Press Sub. Scroll down with the scroll bar and find the key icon. Paste in the text which you copied earlier and press OK. Select VME registration. Copy the number from the text file and paste it into the top field. Press Set. Press the house symbol. Select the option Connect to the VI defined as default. Now you can connect the program to your car. If you have reached this point, congratulations, you have just installed the program.